Chicken Pizzaiola recipe. This is one of my family's favourite recipes. You're going to take 2 chicken breasts, and what you want to do is sort of split them in half and just trim them up. Then you need to get a frying pan, and to that frying pan add in around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Place in the chicken breasts and then simply cook them until they are like golden brown and sealed on all edges. Then to the pan you're going to add around about half a can of chopped tomatoes, along with a good teaspoon of oregano, and of course some salt and some pepper. Then add in a good handful of basil leaves that have been chopped. Now I like to add in an optional 2 cloves of garlic. My Italian friend doesn't add the garlic, but I like to. So I pop it in and then I just mix it all round into the sauce. Over the top of this, you are going to place some tin foil. If you've got a pan cover, that's absolutely fine, but just pop it over and cook it for around about 15 minutes. Then I take a 225 gram ball of mozzarella and drain it off, dry it, and then slice it into 4 and place those on the top of the chicken, along with a tomato that I've sliced up and pop that on top. Then you want to take 4 whole basil leaves and pop them just underneath the tomato. Cover it again, and you want to cook for around about 10 minutes. Then it's to serve it. Now I've been a bit of a greedy piglet here. You'll see I've put 2 on a plate, and I've also served it with those gorgeous Parmesan potatoes. Absolutely delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want the full written recipe, go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk.